Hi and welcome to your Momentum Booster Shop. Quick coaching for smart business growth designed to help you get momentum every day and results all year. Now, you don't need to be online 24/7 to stay visible. And with the right systems in place, your market can keep working even when you're not there. So let's simplify automation and put some time back into your diary. Firstly, you want to schedule your content, and you can use tools like Buffer, Later, or Meta Business Suite. These will help you sort of batch all your weekly content in one sitting and free up the rest of your week. You can also automate basic follow-up. A welcome email, a thank you message, or a reminder sequence can run in the background, building connections for you. And also start with just one workflow. Don't try and automate everything. Pick one repeatable task and build it from there. Okay, your momentum move for today. Choose one marketing task that you repeat often. Now that could be, for instance, things like posting, follow-up, it could be reminders. Then look for the one tool that can help you automate it and then get it set up. And remember, these tips only work if you work them. So give this a go. Take this idea from theory to practice and from practice to mastery. Trust me, you will thank yourself later. Because one step every day in the right direction, that's momentum.